Hey beautiful people, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve a beautiful bouncy heatless coils, and to this effect I'm going to be using these magnetic professional rollers. I would like to also point out that this is the biggest size of these rollers. I'm also going to be using the Hawaiian silky leave-in conditioner and this Jamaican castor oil mousse. And guys, I mixed a very little amount of the leave-in conditioner and water into my spray can because that is what I'm going to be using to dampen the hair. So for the process, first thing first is to detangle your hair. The next step after detangling the hair is to section the hair, just as I'm doing in the video. Now that I'm done sectioning the hair, the next step is to go in with my mixture to dampen the hair. After dampening the hair thoroughly, I'm going to apply the Jamaican castor oil mousse, and I'm going to take a pump or two and then massage it into the hair. I want every part of the hair, every strand to get products. That is why I am massaging it into the hair. Afterwards, I'm going to go in with the Hawaiian silky leave-in conditioner and also massage it just as I did with the mousse, because I want every part of the hair to get products. Now that I'm done, I'm going to section a portion of the hair and then comb it thoroughly. Combing it also helps to spread the products more into the hair. So I'm going to comb it and then take the rollers, wrap the hair around the rollers and then roll it in on the hair. Afterwards, I'm going to take the clip and then clip the roller. If this is your first time on this channel, please subscribe and also do well to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to also click the notification bell so that when I put up new content you will get notification. And also do share your thoughts in the comment section below. I would love to also learn from you guys. We are all learning on this street of YouTube. So guys, please let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. I would like to also point out that heatless coils are my favorite coils. They are because they last way longer than the one we get from our coiling iron. And of course, let's not talk about the fact that not applying heat to your hair helps to, preserve your hair, helps to protect it against heat damage. I'm not trying to dissuade you guys from using coiling iron to achieve your choice of coils. I'm just saying that it's my favorite type of coils. I'll go for heatless coils anytime, any day. I would like to appreciate my beautiful existing subscribers for riding with me. I really appreciate you all for subscribing. It really encourages me to keep putting up content and I'm really grateful. And my new subscribers, once again I want to appeal to you, please, it won't cost you anything to subscribe to this channel. So please do me the favor of subscribing, of liking, and God will bless you all. So let me stop talking and allow you watch, because it is easier to watch and learn than listen and learn. So guys, after rolling the hair, the next step is to air dry it. Air dry it for as long as it will take it to be completely dry. If you want a long lasting coils, then you have to give the hair time to be completely dry. For this particular hair, I left it for about 3 to 4 days to air dry because I want it completely dry so I can achieve a long lasting coils. So this was after 3 days. I'm just going to unravel the rollers and then style the hair just as my client wants it. My client gave a stern warning that she doesn't want any form of heat on the hair, so I couldn't use my hot comb to flatten the closure. So what I did, I just used wax stick to lay down the flyaways, and then I used my comb and hand to flatten the closure. So guys, this is pretty much the end of this tutorial. The result came out really beautiful. I love how the coils came out. It's really bouncy and the hair is shiny as well, and that is why I would recommend the Jamaican castor oil mousse. It has oil in it. That was what gave this hair the shine that it has, so I would recommend that particular mousse for a heatless coils. And also, if you enjoy this tutorial, give this video a like, subscribe, share this video, click the notification bell, and do share your thoughts in the comment section. You can even tell me the next content you'd like for me to put up. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video.